Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the two pentalobe screws. This prevents short circuits. Once done, attach a suction cup near the lower edge and gently lift to create a gap, then insert picks to separate the bezel. You must hinge the display up from the top. Do not fully remove it yet. Make sure to disconnect the battery before touching any connectors, because the home button assembly ties into the secure enclave and static or power can damage it. You now remove the metal display shield and unscrew the small fasteners. Keep screws organized by location, because wrong screws can damage threads. Next, disconnect the display and home button flex cables gently, using a plastic tool to lift clips. This exposes the home button plate. Once exposed, remove the home button assembly and fit the replacement, aligning the ribbon and button face correctly, because misalignment will prevent press detection. You reconnect the display and then the battery, seating the screen partway so you can power on and check touch responsiveness before final sealing. If the phone powers and touch works, press the lower edge to full seat the panel and reinstall both pentalobe screws evenly. Keep in mind, Touch ID is uniquely paired to the original home button. If you used a non-original button, fingerprint enrollment will be disabled. If issues persist, make sure connectors are clean, screws are correct, and there is no visible damage to the button ribbon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.